Hello everyone! It's so foggy. Look at that, guys. So foggy over there. Look at this. Early in the morning, Saturday. It's 8:30 in the morning. So foggy around here. Hello. Good morning everyone. We're going to the mountain. I don't know, we're going somewhere. Ay, ang ating service dyan. So, ating service over there. Let's go over there. Wow, let's go. Let's go. Another vlog, another day. Bye-bye. Let's go there. It's so foggy, guys. Look at that. Foggy, foggy. Foggy. Ayan, no? That's the cemetery, guys. This is the entrance. Malaki to. Hanggang sa taas. Bundok yan. Look at that trees. Look at the leaves, guys. Look, look, look. Squirrel, come here, squirrel. Sorry, I don't have food. Ang ganda ng puno, oh. Ang ganda ng trees. Wow, busy road, busy road. We're going up there, guys. Pataas tayo. So foggy. Look at that, guys. All around, we're in the top of the mountain. Look at this. So foggy. Foggy, foggy, foggy. Early in the morning. Look at the trees, the leaves. Oh my, so beautiful. Foggy, foggy, foggy. It's still foggy, guys. Still foggy. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Malamig, malamig. Foggy, foggy. Opo, it's foggy. Tago si araw. Ang haba ng bus, guys, oh. Haba. Look at the trees. Unti-unti na nag-change ang kulay. Over there, still green, but some is changing. There's a condo. Ah, nasiit na. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Foggy, foggy, foggy.